making myself Arabic.
Arabic?
I can't get it on.
You just put it over your eye. That's a nice picture.
How do I do this? Oh yeah, with the towel.
Over here. It's like with you and your finger.
Mm.
That took you a real long time to figure out how to put on your head. I'm Arabic!
Hey, you know how you say yes in India?
See? I don't get it.
Move your head.
See? You made my turban fall off! How do they do that? How do you make a turban?
I don't know.
You're Arabic, tell me!
I am not Arabic!
She said it right that time.
Yeah, I know.
You're gay. You're Arabic. Maybe if I do it this way. It will, I believe.
Look how loose it is.
Look at her hair poking out of the top. Oh my God, Kelly.
It worked!
You just look like you have a head wrap on.
Well, that's Arabic! It stays better than the last one.
Yeah, but your hair's showing and that's bad.
So, I'm not Arabic.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna clip it. Kelly, turn around, let me see.